Most people think becoming a millionaire is about luck. Others think it's about intelligence. Both are wrong. The truth is far less exciting and far more powerful. Because the path to $1 million is not a secret. It's a system, and almost everyone ignores it. In this video, we'll walk through the exact mental and strategic roadmap that intelligent investors follow to reach $1 million, without hype, without shortcuts, and without gambling their future. This is not a get-rich-quick story. It's the story of how wealth is actually built. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. $1 million is not that impressive anymore. Adjusted for inflation, today's million is yesterday's middle-class dream. And yet, most people will never reach it. Why? Not because they don't earn enough, not because they aren't smart, but because they never think like investors. An intelligent investor doesn't chase money. They build systems that make money inevitable. Employees ask, "How much do I make per hour?" Investors ask, "What do I own?" Two people earn the same salary. One upgrades their lifestyle, the other upgrades their balance sheet. 10 years later, their lives look nothing alike. Wealth doesn't come from income. It comes from what you do with income. The intelligent investor is boring. They don't predict crashes. They don't chase hot stocks. They don't panic. Explain compounding, small amounts, long time, relentless consistency. Example, $500 a month invested at 8% doesn't look impressive in year 1. In year 20, it changes everything. Reference, without name-dropping excessively. History shows that time in the market beats timing the market, over and over again. Key line. The real risk is not volatility. The real risk is not staying invested. Before you can win, you must survive. The intelligent investor plans for failure, not success. Discuss emergency fund, low leverage, avoiding forced selling. Most fortunes aren't destroyed by bad investments. They're destroyed by bad timing. When markets fall, only those with breathing room can stay calm. Key principle: never risk what you need for what you want. Complexity feels intelligent. Simplicity actually works. Important: broad diversification, understandable, and strategies. Avoiding ego-driven decisions. If you can't explain your investment in one sentence, you don't understand it. Wall Street sells complexity. Smart investors buy clarity. The goal isn't to impress others, it's to reach financial independence. The most powerful advantage an investor can have is time. Long-term mindset. Ignoring noise. Letting compounding do the heavy lifting. Markets reward patience, not prediction. Every major crisis looks terrifying in the moment and obvious in hindsight. Key insight. The intelligent investor isn't optimistic or pessimistic. They're prepared. Here's the truth no one likes to hear. Reaching $1 million doesn't feel dramatic. There's no single moment, no celebration, just quiet progress. It happens slowly, then all at once. And by the time you reach it, you realize the real reward wasn't the money. It was control. If you want to walk this road, start small, but start today. Build ownership, stay consistent, protect your downside, think long-term. If you want to go deeper into the psychology behind intelligent investing, there's a book linked below that shaped how many investors think about money. And if you value calm, rational wealth building, subscribe to Untold Wealth. Because the loudest voices are rarely the smartest. Wealth is not about being smarter than others. It's about being more disciplined than yesterday,